A new study looking at how families with preschool children are coping in lockdown has found that many parents are worried about how they're juggling work with looking after young ones. More than 1,700 parents and carers were questioned by researchers at the universities of Oxford, Reading and Southampton. Almost three-quarters felt they're not sufficiently doing both things well.
We've had to juggle many things, not only Frankie's mentality as a child who's used to coming to Kingsmead Day Nursery in Winchester since 6 months. You know, she's used to coming and seeing her friends every day, and having to explain to her why she can't come to nursery has been a challenge, not to mention, you know, that we are working parents and having to juggle that.
It's a huge pressure because parents want to be able to do the right thing for their children when they're at home. They want to stimulate them and educate them, but they also have their financial responsibilities of their own jobs, and if they're required to work from home, it's a really tough balance for them to give them the stimulation and care they need whilst doing their day job. We knew that we wanted to reopen as soon as we could to take that extra pressure off the parents.
And we spoke to a lecturer in psychology at the University of Southampton who led that study.
A useful data set short term to help influence policy, but also longer term to work out if in the future some somewhat similar circumstances arise, that there's another lockdown, we're going to know, right, what is it that we need to put in place to support those who are most vulnerable or most at risk to manage as a family with a preschooler.